Today I'll be showing you guys how I fill in my eyebrows using the Jacque Mgido brow pen. So firstly, you want to get your concealer. I'm using the medium dark one concealer from Jacque Mgido, and I'm going to start off by contouring underneath my eyebrows. This will act as a highlighter. It will highlight my brow bone, and it will also show me where I need to fill in, because you don't necessarily need to fill in everywhere. So yeah, now I'm just going in with my blending brush. I'm also going to go in with my finger just to make sure it's all blended in and it's clean. And then I'm gonna go in with my brow pen. So you want to hold your brow pen at least at the very end, just not at the front. And you want to use light strokes on your eyebrows, ladies, really light strokes. So you're only filling in areas where you need to fill in. As you can see, I'm not filling in where I already have hair, because that just doesn't make sense. It would make my eyebrow look artificial. And these are measurements for where your eyebrows should start, where they should arch, and where they should end. Now I'm going in with my brow fixer. So what the brow fixer does is that it re-highlights your eyebrow hair so that your eyebrow looks as natural as possible. So now I'm just going in with my finger again, just to make sure it's all clean and that there's no harsh concealer lines.